Important days in October. October 1st, International Day for the Older Persons, International Coffee Day, World Vegetarian Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, International Day of Nonviolence. October 3rd, German Unity Day. October 4th, World Animal Welfare Day. October 5th, World Teachers Day. October 6th, German American Day. October 7th, World Cotton Day. October 8th, Indian Air Force Day. October 9th, World Post Office Day. October 10th, World Mental Health Day, National Post Day. October 11th, International Day of Girl Child. October 13th, International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. October 14th, World Standards Day. October 15th, World Students Day, World White Cane Day, Global Hand Washing Day. October 16th, World Food Day, World Anesthesia Day, National Boss Day, World Spine Day. October 17th, International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. October 20th, World Statistic Day. October 21st, Police Commemoration Day. October 24th, World Development Information Day, UN Day. October 30th, World Thrift Day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.